Welcome to 5-Minute Solution channel. In this video I am going to show you guys how you can enable text to speech on Discord. So for that you have to open your Discord and you have to click on your user settings, and here you have to click on notifications, and you have to find this text to speech notification and click on for all channels or for current selected channel, depending on your preference. So once you have done that, you can use text to speech. For that you have to type /TTS, then press enter. Then you have to type a message and you have to enter again to send the message.
Real Web Junkie said this is a message.
And the Discord voice bot will be convert your text to speech, and it will say who sent the message and what he wrote. So let's try again with a different message.
Real Web Junkie said this is message too.
So that's how you can basically use text to speech on Discord. If you want more videos like this, then like, comment and subscribe. And also thank you very much for watching this video.